campus next month, yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, regarding to that activity, I am also surprised about cybersecurity. What is that technology on Philippine in the general, because
Ye-
I had shared about information that
Sorry,
in
yeah.
the
Kamay lagi ni.
yeah, hello.
Yeah, hello, Pa.
Yeah.
I'm sorry.
Okay.
I'm not very familiar with Microsoft Teams for a while. I have to make my screen big. I'm only used to you Zoom. Sorry,
Okay,
how do
okay.
I do this?
No
Uh,
matter. Okay. It's
yeah,
okay.
no. Yeah. Yeah. Stretch. No, it cannot be stretched. It's wait,
You
pa. I
can you
will
can see. Yeah.
I will connect again.
Okay, okay. Okay, connect again. Okay, record transit video setting. Okay.
There. I'm so sorry, pa. Yeah, hello.
Okay, no problem, no problem.
Yes, yes. Okay.
Okay, this is what
Mm-hmm.
I mean that the Philippines so sophisticated in, we call it the Asian Cyber Race Learn-a-thon 2025,
Uh-huh.
because in Philippines had a rank the 3, and is the you see Mark
Yeah.
Anthony
Mark Anthony.
Madalipe
Yeah.
from University of
University of
Assumption,
Assumption, Philippines.
and Ferlin Nojor,
Mm.
Technological Institute of Philippines.
Yes, pa.
This indicator about how cybersecurity in Philippines is growing, yeah. And
Yes.
the society, especially campus, celebrate and want to join this event like Cyber ASEAN Race 2025.
Okay.
Bayangkara has 8 rank in this. This is mine.
Oh, that's you. Wow, pa.
Okay.
That's amazing.
Yeah,
But of
but
course, we have the Philippines, ranked
yeah,
number
yeah, yeah, yeah,
3.
yeah. Maybe next UM also list in here, yeah.
Yes.
We can collaborate and accelerate this event to what is that, to explore more, and we develop and together to have serious in this particular scheme or particular topics in cyber security.
Yes, pa. Yes.
Okay. And also we propose maybe paper or research about this topics, cybersecurity also.
Yeah, also
And you,
I'm thinking
yep,
pa, I'm thinking
yep.
about a capstone study where Indonesia will be able to, not just UBJ, but the whole of Indonesia will benefit. It's a software that I will introduce to you, and we can actually propose, I will present to you a study of which we will be able to develop a software which is only found in the US, so that Indonesia can do a customization as to how cybercrimes are done in Indonesia. So the detection and the collection of pieces of evidence would also be customized to Indonesia alone. So this is my idea of the research. it's not just a quantitative or a qualitative research, but really development of an application, because I believe in your college, the information technology can be able to develop your application, of which I will discuss to you when I go there in October 13 to 17. Yeah.
Okay, it's good. It's good news about the research and publicity in this area. We can also show to you in the cybersecurity area how we build the CSIRT, Cybersecurity Incidents Response Team, in our campus.
Yeah, actually, when I was in Indonesia last year for 3 months, I had a prior meeting. I'm not sure if it was you during the meeting, but I had a meeting with your college, the
Yep.
information technology, and they were able to present to me the UBJ cybersecurity website for the campus security already. But I do hope to, yeah, I do hope to explore more of the website, because I would also like to propose that for the University of Mindanao.
Okay, it's good. It's good news for us that we can elaborate and participate, yeah, in that area in cybersecurity.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. We also have it exactly the student that have the skill about this cybersecurity. Maybe we can sharing about that in the classroom.
Yes, yes, pa.
Okay.
Maybe we can share that in the classroom so that you can come up with the idea that
Yep.
I'm trying to share to you, so that you will be able to develop it. Because I think the meeting will be a continuing relationship for UBJ and the university, for us to be able to develop softwares and researches collaboration for me cybercrimes, and for you in cybersecurity.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah. Yeah.
We glad to see you next month, Mrs. Rowella.
Yes, yes, pa. I am also actually excited to be there and share with you the knowledge, and of course learn from the expertise that you have there in your team of experts for information technology program.
Yeah, yeah.
I will
Okay.
also, yeah,
Mm-mm.
I will also tell BAPA Rector and Buulan that we already had this meeting, so that they will know that we already conducted our online meeting, pa.
Okay, thank you. I will send you this conversation, this video to you next. Okay.
Yes. Also, pa,
Thank
I would
you.
like to know,
Yep.
when I go to Indonesia, I'll be there for 13 to 17. What is the most likely date for our meeting? Do I have to like speak for your class, or we will just have a meeting with your dean and the program head and the programmers?
Yeah. Actually, we want to what is that? Lecture guest lecture from the
Oh, yeah,
expertise from
sure.
UM. Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
So the experiences and also about cybersecurity, how to teach cybersecurity in your country, in your university, and how to explore more about how student can study this cybersecurity in the burden of the other country. Yeah, say like that, because
Yeah.
the need of people that have skill in cybersecurity in the next year or in the next term is very very large need of the skillful student like that.
Yes, yes, but yeah, I understand the past of my topic will be because of the meeting that we had today, but I would like to know what is the specific date and time of my um dealings for the meeting with you and the rest of the team, and for my presentation lecture as your visiting lecture for the program.
Okay, I will give you the information in the WhatsApp, okay?
Yes, yes, pa.
So the
I will just
detail,
explain
I
it
will
on
send
WhatsApp.
you that. Okay.
Thank you, pa. Because I need to, I need to be very ready because you guys are very excellent in your area. So I need to just not level up, maybe just maybe be able to express in a way that I can be able to represent the university well as well. Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, pa. Thank you
Thank
so
you
much for
very
this meeting.
much.
Yeah, pa.
Yeah, see
Yeah.
you.
See you, pa.
Bye-bye.
Terima kasih, pa.
Terima kasih.